My God. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is channel ang Chabines na Sexy. Yay! So ni hao from my friends from China and all over the world. Welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, we are having a very special day because again we are coming back to do a reaction video of our dear friend Zhou Shen, or other known as Charlie. Yay! Yes. So we had a pause for a little while because obviously I was hospitalized and I need to take a little rest. So you know, I am just uploading every other day, and most of the videos that I have uploaded was you know, edited long time ago. So now I am just making some more videos so I can entertain everybody, especially our dear friend who keeps on following us and keep on supporting our channel. And I would like to thank you all for doing that, and I hope you will not be you know, forgetting me to watch my videos and giving me some thumbs up. Okay guys, so for today's video we are going to do Shen's performance to I think it is called Birds and Fishes. So I haven't heard about this song, so without further ado, we need to go back to our place and we can start doing our reaction video. Okay guys, so bye. Hi, welcome back mga kokak. So we are already sat on our favorite spot and you know the drills already guys. In 3, 2, 1, action. Very cool in the eye, the ears. Right, hold up, guys. I didn't realize this is a Chinese and English combination. So guys, so which one is which? I am quite confused. What is the name of this performance? Is it Birds and Fishes or Always and Forever? Because I'm a little bit confused now. The title itself, it says here, Birds and Fishes is an MP4. But then again, obviously, I cannot read Chinese handwriting, and my partner is out of the house, so I really don't know what's the name of this. So guys, comment down below what's the name of this performance. Okay, I know it is really nice in the ears. It's like cooling sound in the ear, so I really like this song. So I should really know this the name of this performance. Okay guys, so we need to go back now. another a soundtrack. Right, hold up, guys. You know, I have said this many times, and I'm going to repeat this again, and I am not going to be tired of saying this every now and then. Chinese songs are all like taken from a literature or in a poem. That is how I'm understanding it, because the wordings itself is very majestic. Plus, if you will be including a very majestic singer like Shen, your performance or the songs that you are going to listen is very majestic and magical, as like what you are hearing now from our dear friend Charlie. You know, I can just imagine like lying in a rice field or an open field with flowers, with the wind blowing, and then this is what you are hearing. Perfect, isn't it? So I think this is also one of the original soundtrack of another anime or any movie. So guys, comment down below. Obviously, I am not understanding what's flashing on the screen, because obviously I am by myself. My partner is not here at home. So please, guys, help me. Okay, guys, so we need to go back now. Oh my God. Oh. Sounded like an angel. My God. So there you have it. Thank you very much, Charlie. This is a wonderful performance of your I think this is Birds and Fishes. So thank you very much for this one. I appreciate it very much, and thank you very much for international fans of Charlie or Shen, because I can get or I can extract more of his performances. Okay, guys. So for those of you who just tuned in, my name is Channel Real. If you have enjoyed watching my video, please drop a massive thumbs up. Don't forget to like and share this video, And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And lastly, don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be updated on all the videos that I'm uploading almost every day. Again, this is Chen Royal, leaving you the message: spread love in all forms. Okay, guys, so bye.